we're gonna have the unbox Ifki Iron 1. Ano akong bayro no sa tax pero tinda ko unexpected. Paano tayo mabuhat? Ang shipping medyo nakalis ko, na-discount nila. May less 15 pa ata yun. Ang shipping niya is nasa 2,000 lang ata. Happy ako nun kasi naka-discount na ako. Unexpectedly, when the goods arrived in the Philippines, so the custom, wow, grabe ang charge. More than shipping. So may mga handling fee pa from FeedX. More than 1,000. So the tax is around 6,300. I got this machine for more or less 29 or 30k. Then yeah, let's start unboxing it. There we go. First glance, Ifki Iron 1. Look at this. For how many years I've been dreaming for this kind of machine. I'm planning to have Fluxmax, but then I realized it's too much. And then I go with the Ifki Iron 1. It is because I don't need the Bluetooth and other functions. So all I need is quality sa machines. Actually, pareho lang sila ng function ng Flux at saka 1. The only difference is Bluetooth, displays. For me, hindi naman ako oras-oras na nagtitingin sa display. Nakafocus lang ako sa tattoo. So, why I need those kind of functions which is not reliable for me. Here we go! Naka-seal pa siya Hindi ito sponsor ha. It's my own expenses. I just want to invest something that maka-help for my work. Ganda ng ano niya yung bag niya May pa, seal pa Ito ang gagamitin natin sa Thailand. We have to open! We'll see. Wow! May pa siya. Warranty card. Manual. Ooh! Wow! Ang liit, ang gaan. This is it. Ang ganda, ang kintab. Glossy type. Parang bago lang nila na-release to. One click lang yung ano niya. O yan. Dito natin nilagay yung battery. The box comes with the unit itself. Your desktop charger, 2 battery. The brand of this one, it's Panasonic. Try natin. Of course, we have to identify the positive and the negative. Itong negative is sa loob and the positive dito. Okay, let's try. Yun, nag-on yung light niya. It means ready to go. Wow, ang ganda ng sounds. Narinig nyo? Too smooth. Let's try with needle.